Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class, 5th class. We were discussing question number 4. Up to question 3 of 9.3 exercise we have done already, and we were on question 4. Today I want to discuss question 4. Rama took 30 days to complete an English speaking course. 30 days. She takes 30 days to complete course. The course was completed on 15th January. When did Rama join the course? When did Rama join the course? We'll have to tell that date. When did Rama join the course? This is the question. Now you see, question 4 solution is there. You can see Rama took 30 days. How many days to complete a course? She took 30 days. Course was completed on which date? 15th January. Joining date is 17th December. You see the solution. Total days in December 31. In December 31 days total, and subtract 15 days from 31. 16, it means after 16, 15 days from December and 15 days from January, and then total 30 days will complete. Then from 17 December she joined, and up to 15th January she has completed her course, English speaking course. Now your answer is 17 December. Now question 5. After summer vacation, a school was to open on 1st July. After summer vacations, छुट्टियों के बाद, was to open on 1st July. Due to prolonged summer, the government decided to close the school for a further 15 days. 15 days, government increased 15 days more. When will the school open? We'll have to tell that date. कि when will the school open? कब खुलेंगे school? We'll have to tell the date. Now you see, look at this solution. School was to open on 1st July. Number of days increased by the government, 15. School will open on 16th July. You can count. 15 days increases in 1. Then total 16th. On 16th July school will reopen. 15 days more after 1 July. Now next you see question 6. Rama was to join duty at 8:30 am, but Rama reached 1 hour 15 minutes earlier than the joining time. Joining time was 8:30, but Rama reached earlier, 1 hour 15 minutes before the time. When did Rama reach? We'll have to tell that time. It means 1 hour 15 minutes before 8:30 am. 8:30 am. Then we'll have to subtract 1 hour 15 minutes from 1 hour 15 minutes from 8:30 am. Then you will get your answer. You can see here. First you see the solution. Duty time was 8:30 am. Rama reached 1 hour 15 minutes before this time. Rama reached at time we'll have to find out. You see 8:30 am minus 1 hour 15 minutes, and then we'll get 7 hours 15 minutes, and here 8:30 am, and in answer also we'll have to write am. Okay, and now we'll see the question number 7. What is the time 12 hours after 3:30 pm? After 3:30 pm, 12 hours. Then again it will in rotation. After 12 hours am will start, then 3:30 a.m. After 12 hours, 3:30 a.m. You see, in 12 hours clock time, earlier also I told you am and pm. After every 12 hours, this anti-meridian and post-meridian will change. And here also it's 3:30 p.m. and after 12 hours 3:30 a.m. Then what is the time 12 hours before 5:30 a.m.? Same here also. Difference is they want to know the time before 12 hours, and here in question in part A they want to know after 12 hours. But after every 12 hours am and pm will change. Am will change into pm and pm will change into am. Then when you will see the 12 hours clock time, then it will be clear to you. Okay. Question 8. Seema began to study at 7:30 am. She studied for 3 hours 50 minutes. Study start की है, starting time is 7:30 am and 3 hours 15 minutes studied. At what time did she finish her studies? किस टाइम उन्होंने फिनिश की है उसने अपनी स्टडी. You see, let me show you solution. Seema starts study 7:30 am. She studied for 3 hours 50 minutes. Finishing time 7 hours 30 minutes starting time and 3 hours 50 minutes studied. And now you add these both. Addition is 10 hours 80 minutes. And from this 80 minutes you take 60 minutes. And these 60 minutes you convert into hours. We have converted now. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. We'll add this 1 hour in hour column and we'll subtract 60 minutes from minutes column. 80 minus 60, 20, and this 1 hour, 60 minutes has been converted into 1 hour, and this 1 hour will add in hour in 10 hour, then total 11 hours 20 minutes. And it was morning time am. Then we'll see it, if it is less than 12 it means am same will be here. If it is less than 12 and 11:20 is less than 12, that's why this am remains same, anti-meridian here also. Now your answer is 11:20 am. Is it clear to you? If you face any problem, then you can ask later on. You can call me, and now you complete it in your notebook in a good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.